Namaste. Welcome to Blishon Concept Teaching. Today we are solving the problem of Class 10 NCERT syllabus, and it is of the lesson pair of linear equation in two variables. Exercise 3.3 third main, that is, form the pair of linear equation for the following problems and find their solution by substitution method. In this we are solving the second problem. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degree. Find them. Okay. Before solving the problem, I want to tell you the meaning of supplementary angle and exceeding. I think most of you know the meaning of supplementary angles. Okay. But let me explain you once again. What do you mean by supplementary angles? The simple definition of supplementary angle is when we will add two angles, we have to get 180 degree. For example, see here, for 130 degree, how much I have to add to get 180 degree? See here, 50 degree I have to add, isn't it? For 130 degree, I have to add 50 degree to get 180 degree. Then these two are called as what? Supplementary angles. Can you give the other example? For 140 degree, which is the supplementary angle? 40 degree. Because for 140 degree, if I add 40 degree, then it will become 180 degree. Therefore, these two angles are called as what? Supplementary angles, right? Now, let me tell the meaning of exceeding. What do you mean by exceeding? Exceeding means more than the other, okay? Hope you have understood the meaning of both supplementary and exceeding. Now, let us solve the problem. See here, the supplementary angles. So, what we can write? Solution. Let us solve this. Let the supplementary angles be. Let the supplementary angles be X and Y. Okay. Since these two are supplementary angles, we can write X degree plus Y degree. Definitely it will become 180 degree because these two are supplementary angles. Let us consider this as equation 1. Now let us read the question. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degree. Means what they are saying? These two are supplementary angles, but in that one angle it is more than the other. Right? They are saying that. But how much more? They are saying 18 degree it is more than the other. That is the meaning of this sentence. Let me read the sentence once again. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degree. The meaning of this is the larger angle it is 18 degree more than the smaller angle. Now, let us consider this X as the greater angle or the larger angle. Okay. Let me write let angle X, it is more than Y. Then how much it is more? 18 degree it is more. Means more means how can you write? From X degree, if I subtract Y degree, we will get 18 degree. Isn't it? We can write like this. If you did not understand how we got this equation, then watch the video till the end, because while doing verification, I am going to explain this neatly. Okay. Now see, this is our equation 1 and this is our equation 2. We got equation 1 and 2. Now we can solve this. Now let us consider equation 1. Consider equation 1, that is x plus y is equal to 180 degree. Now x is equal to 180 degree plus y, when it will cross this is equal to sign, it will become minus y. Okay. Now let us substitute the value of x in equation 2. Here in equation 2 in this. Okay. We got this value of x from equation 1. Now let us substitute this in equation 2. Therefore consider equation 2. Consider equation 2, that is x minus y is equal to 18 degree. X minus y is equal to 18 degree. Okay. Now in the place of x we can write this one and substitute x is equal to 180 degree minus y. So in the place of x, let us write 180 degree minus y degree is equal to 18. 180 minus y is how much? Minus 2y is equal to 18. Minus 2y is equal to 18 minus plus 180, when it will cross this is equal to sign, it will become minus 180. Okay. Plus 18 minus 180 degree is how much? Minus 162 degree. Minus 2y is equal to minus 162 degree. Y is equal to minus it will cancel, 162, this into 2, when it will cross this it will become divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 8s are 16, 2 ones are 2, that is y is equal to 81 degree. Okay. We got the angle y as 81 degree. Now let us substitute this value of y in equation A. Here this one, let us consider this as equation A, this one, and let us substitute the value of y in equation A, that is x degree is equal to 180 degree minus y, that is x is equal to 180 minus 81 is how much? 99 degree. Okay. Therefore the two angles are, that is x is 99 degree and y is 81 degree. This is our answer. Now let us do the verification of this, okay, for the better understanding, but verification no need to do in your exams. X is equal to 99 degree and y as 81 degree. According to the question, the two angles, they are supplementary. Let us see whether they are supplementary or not. Supplementary means what? This is verification, okay? No need to do in your exam. Here 99 degree plus 81 degree. 9 plus 1 is 10. Is 180 degree. Since when we will add these two angles, we will get 180 degree. So we can say these two are supplementary angles. So we have verified. Now let us verify the other sentence of the question. What they told you? See, according to I told you already. I will explain the second equation in the verification. What they told us? The first angle means the angle x. It exceeds the angle y by 18 degree. Means angle x, it is 18 degree more than the y. Whether it is 18 degree more? Now let us subtract and see. Okay, 99 degree minus 81 degree. Let us subtract this. 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 1, 8 is 1. 18 degree. Yes. Therefore, 99 degree minus 81 degree is 18 degree. Nothing but 99, it is nothing but x. And y, it is nothing but 81. When we will subtract, we will get 18 degree. This is the meaning. Okay. Hope you have understood. Take a view of the complete solution.